To add a video to existing playlist on a Facebook page, take these steps. Okay? First, launch a web browser. As your browser opens, visit this web link, alright? business.facebook.com. Then sign in with your Facebook credentials. The next step, once you sign in successfully, is to click on this content tab. On clicking on Content tab, you will see some options here. Click on Playlist. This will show you some playlists that are available on your Facebook page. If you want to see them all, just click on See All Playlists. But if the one you want to add a video in is on this first look, don't bother yourself. Alright, just like here, this one named Google Slides Tutorial is what I want to add a video inside. So I'll click on it. So once you click on it, it will open on a page that looks like this. And as you can see, there is no video inside this Google Slides tutorial. So what you need to do is to click on Add Reels. So clicking on Add Reels will show you some videos you have published recently. If you have the name of the particular video you want to add to this playlist, please click inside the search box and type the title. It will pop up, alright? Then you select it and add. Okay, so let me type few. Okay, here I type this keyword slides and it showed me some videos where I mentioned slides either on the title or in the description. Alright, and what I need to do is to click on any video that I want to add to this playlist, just like this one. I've clicked on checkbox. Then the next step is to click on save. So with this video is now added inside this particular playlist. Thank you for staying to the end. You may consider subscribing and hitting the like button to learn more and to watch more videos on this channel. See you some other time.